Hello, Andrew from Filteroo here today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change, install and flush your Ultraceram fluoride removal gravity water filtration candle for your Filteroo Blue or Filteroo Ceramic or any other gravity water filter that you may have. When handling this cartridge, we always recommend that you use a glove or the bag the cartridge is packed into to avoid touching the ceramic part of the cartridge with your hands. The first step to install your Ultraceram cartridge is to give it a really good rinse under a flowing kitchen sink tap to remove any fine ceramic dust from the outer shell. The next step is to install the cartridge in your Filteroo. Remove the locking nut from the cartridge stem, leaving the sealing washer on the stem. Insert the cartridge stem through the hole in the top tank from the inside out. Then secure the cartridge by screwing the locking nut onto the cartridge stem on the underside of the top tank until tight, but do not over tighten. Ensure that the tap is in the off position. Place the top tank inside of the bottom tank. Fill the top tank with water and allow this water to filter through to the lower tank. It is recommended to drain the first 10 to 12 liters of filtered water to waste or onto your garden, as it may contain fines. Now that you've installed and flushed your Ultraceram candle, the final step is to refill the top tank with water and allow the water to filter down through the cartridge into the bottom tank, ready for you to consume your first glass of Filteroo filtered water. And that's how you install and flush your Ultraceram candle for your Filteroo Blue or Filteroo Ceramic or any other gravity water filter system that you have. It is a very simple process, and we're always here for you if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you, and remember to take a moment to love your water today.